Hare Krishna, everyone. So today I'll be playing the Prabhupad Pranam, the Panchatattva Pranam, and the common Hare Krishna melody, also known as the Prabhupada melody. I'll be playing each part twice, and I'll be playing it in accompaniment with the metronome. And the metronome is set for the kartal beat. So we'll get started, and it starts right on the orange one. Nama starts right on the orange one. Okay? And so this is one of the first melodies we learn when you take our harmonium course. And if you're interested in learning harmonium, getting really expert at harmonium, and learning so many tunes and melodies, feel free to check out our website. The link for that is also in the description below. And we offer lessons online to anyone, anywhere in the world. So it's a very good opportunity, and we have very good reviews from our students. Our students are of all ages and all skill levels, and they really enjoy our classes. So feel free to check that out and contact us if you'd like to sign up for classes. Okay, so I'm going to hit play, and let's get started here. So wait for it to run through once. Nama Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Vishnupadaya Krishna Prasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschata Vishatari Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharini Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Vishatarimu Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda Jaya Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Srivasadi Gaura Bhakta-vrinda Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Rama Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Thank you very much. I hope that was helpful. Hare Krishna. Okay, so maybe you noticed that for the Nama Om, I put a gap at the end of Nama Om, and so it might sound awkward out of the context of the Kirtan, but within the context of a Kirtan, it'll probably sound fine. And you can see in the description below, I'll attach a video of me singing Nama Om. All these tunes, the Jai Shri Krishna is a little different, the Panchatattva is a little different, Panchatattva Pranam, but everything else is the same. It's the same melodies. I'll put that in the description below. I'm playing it with Mridanga and kartals and audience. So you'll see that the gap actually kind of fits well with the other instruments. But there's still another way you can add a gap. You can add it just before the iti namine, right? So instead of adding the gap at the end, add it there. So I'm going to just show you how you can do that. And you see which one sounds better for you, and you can do that one. So let me go ahead and hit play. Wait for it to run one time so I can get it from the beginning. Nama Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Utale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami. Here we go. Here's the gap. Iti namine. And again, we start right from the beginning. Nama Om So that works. And so just so you understand, the reason you need that gap is when you're playing with other instruments, because everything goes in 8-beat cycles. And that's why we have this set up in 8 beats, right? So for that reason, it's 8 beats per bar, as you can see in the metronome. So, and if you don't have the gap, it'll end halfway through the 8 beats. So instead of being 64 beats, it'll be 60 beats long, the whole mantra. But it needs to be 64 to work with the Mridanga and kartals. So I'll play it at a faster speed so you can hear how that sounds. This would be more of a regular speed. Maybe a little faster. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami. Gap. Here we go. Iti namine. And yeah, so that's how it is. Okay. And so just so you can see, because it was a little bright, these are the settings I have. Let me actually dim it slightly. There we go. So these are the settings. All right. I started on 60 before. These are the exact settings. Okay. And so when you have the gap, then iti will start on this second last one. Iti, e, and ti will be on the last one. Iti namine, something like that. So give it a try. Good luck.